customer states. Engine blown? Let's check it out.
It's a 2002 Chevy Avalanche. All right, so the main problem we're dealing with here is customer states after instrument panel cluster stopped working, engine made a loud noise, and now when trying to add oil to the oil runs out on the ground. So we got a loud engine noise and some other stuff happening up here. Instrument panel cluster does not light up. This ought to give us something to go off of. It's honestly not that bad up under here. It looks like it has too much oil in it. You can see it's double what it's supposed to be. So the main problem was the engine was ticking, had a loud engine noise. All right, so we're doing a compression test on all the cylinders to see the shape of the top end of the motor. So I'm gonna get my helper to bump it over while we check the compression. We're gonna check all 8 cylinders. All right, stop. Now we're just gonna do it all down the line and see what the numbers are. Stop. This compression test is done, and bad news, guys. This cylinder's got 0 PSI, so that's not good. Kind of bummed out here, but we knew the engine had problems to begin with. It's got 0 PSI on this cylinder. So we need to dig a little deeper. Hopefully the piston's not completely destroyed. I'm thinking maybe it's a broken valve spring or something, but we need to take the valve cover off to get in here and inspect it. So let's dig a little bit deeper. So it doesn't look like we have a spring that's broken. Something's wrong with the lifter, which sucks because now we have to take the head off. So we gotta dig a little bit deeper, even still.
We're gonna get to the bottom of it, I can promise you that.
Gross. What a mess. All right, so here's what we got. This piston is destroyed. Yeah, look at that little dot in the bottom corner down here. That dot is supposed to be right there on the right hand side. And the piston is all spun around in the bore. So, where do we go from here? I'm gonna inspect this a little more. The rod's broken, guys. Connecting rod is broken. So the connecting rod snapped. That's no good.
Ooh, that piston is so spun up and destroyed. Man, this thing is never going to be running right again.
See that spot right there? What does that look like? There it is, right there. There is a hole in the block right there. It broke the connecting rod and there's a giant hole in the block. Well, a little hole. It's going right inside the motor. This thing's toast.
So this engine is done. It is destroyed, but that's all right. We'll get another one and we'll get it swapped out. Full video below. Later.